how to open student bank account in Lloyds Bank. So the very first thing you want to do is to head over to any of the web browser, or you can move into Safari if you are on your iOS device. Once you are in here, in the source bar, search for student bank account in Lloyds Bank. Now head over to the very first site, student current account. Wait for a while for it to load. You will land on this official page. Once you are in this page, what you want to do is tap on ready to apply. Tap on continue on the website. And then wait for a while for it to complete the process. It will be landing you on this page. In this page, you have to fill up some of your information. First of all, enter your first name, your middle name, last name, gender, and then enter your phone number, your active email address, date of birth, and also enter the country of the birth. You can also add another nationality if you want to. After that, tap on continue. Follow the on-screen process and then your student bank will be opened successfully, and then you'll be good to go. So that's all for today, and this is simply how you can open student bank account in Lloyds Bank. Make sure to smash the like button and consider subscribing if you found this video helpful. We'll see you in the next one.